special videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on safety demand after a drop in risk appetite following a higher than expected print in jobless claims. The greenback ended the day at 1.3299 to the euro and 82.39 to the yen. Today's data includes core personal consumption expenditure and Michigan confidence. Next to the euro. The euro sank after the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development forecast lower than expected growth for the region, raising fears of a deeper than expected recession. The single currency ended Thursday at 109.57 to the yen and 0.8335 to the pound. Consumer Price Index data headlines the economic docket for the Eurozone today. British pound. The pound weakened following the release of data showing a lower than expected fall in house prices and money supply, which led to heightened expectations of more monetary easing. The UK currency ended the day at 1.5952 to the dollar and 131.43 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen rose after a surge in risk aversion sent investors seeking safety following sudden fears about employment in the US and a downwards revision in Eurozone growth forecasts. The Japanese currency ended Thursday's session at 82.39 to the dollar and 109.57 to the euro. And now, the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3331 with 1.3385 and 1.342 in sight. The downside penetration of 1.331, which will call for 1.328 and 1.325. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5935 with 1.6025 and 1.65 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.5935, which will open the way to 1.59 and 1.586. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 82.5 with 81.8 and 81.7 in sight. The downside penetration of 82.5, which will call for 82.75 and 83. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.